Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm wearing a shark onesie. I freaking love it, dude. Like, look how cute. My little, like, so freaking cute. Anyway, okay, that is not the point of this video. I actually just got out of the shower about 20-ish minutes ago, which would explain my appearance. And the reason for that is because tonight, hopefully, is the night that I'm going to be changing out my Medusa piercing to something much shorter. I got my Medusa pierced on August 29th and it is currently September 12th. So it has been exactly 2 weeks to the day, almost to the time exactly, that I have had my Medusa pierced. Now, when I had my Monroe piercing back in the day, I never filmed myself changing it for the first time. I mainly made a video just talking about it, which, looking back on it, like, that's just the dumbest thing ever. Why did I do that? So I figured, and I told you guys in my all about my Medusa piercing, that I was going to film myself changing it for the first time. And it has been doing absolutely fantastic. As you can see, the swelling is gone, there is no redness. I'm still getting crusties every once in a while, but the big issue that I'm having, as you can probably see, that is the length of this bad boy. And I'm not even kidding you, right before I hit record, I went to like rub my chapstick into my lips with my lips, and the bar like wrapped around my front teeth and I like bit down on it. So yeah, not a very pleasant experience. So I'm really anxious to change it to something shorter. Now, it is not 100% healed yet. Lip piercings do not heal in 2 weeks. If I were to leave this longer jewelry in and it were to get snagged a lot or hit on stuff or caught on stuff, you know, whatever the case may be, that's just going to prolong the healing process, if you know what I'm saying. So after about 2 weeks, you do get the okay to change it to something shorter. Now, they said you can totally come in and we'll do it for you, but this is not my first rodeo, so I am actually going to change it at home myself at 8 o'clock at night in my shark onesie. This is going to be a great video. Make sure you subscribe. So yeah, this is a 16 gauge, way too fucking long barbell, and I actually bought a pack of Bioplast pushbacks, but they are unfortunately way too short. Like, when I was looking at the size charts online and I was like, oh yeah, that should be fine, but when I actually saw them in person, I was like, those are gonna be way too freaking short. So unfortunately, that was a bust. So if I ever do want to get that exact same kind, I will have to go up a size. I have never been good with sizing. I have always sucked at it. But I do have quite a bit of just regular flat back barbells that I use for all sorts of piercings, whether that be nose, helix, tragus, lobe, you know, whatever. And that works perfectly for lip piercings as well. So I have this little guy right here. I pretty much have them like all in my earrings. This is like the look that I desire the most, is I just like the little frilly things, the little, like, you know, cute, innocent little gems. I love that look. And that's what I really wanted for my Medusa piercing. So here is an up close view, if it'll focus, of what this one looks like. I am really, really hoping that this fits in my lip. If this video goes up, then obviously that means it worked, because I'm a little nervous. I really don't have any other options on hand with me right now. I would have to order and then I would have to wait for them to show up, and that means I just have to deal with this annoying ass long jewelry for way longer than I want to. So I'm really hoping this works. I'm not gonna force it. I'm pretty sure this is externally threaded jewelry and this is internally threaded. So I don't know if it's going to hurt more. Typically internally threaded jewelry hurts me way more than externally threaded, and I know it's usually the opposite for most people, but not me. The reason why I'm doing this right out of the shower is because I clean every piercing, but especially new piercings, in the shower really, really well with antibacterial soap. It just gets all of the grease, dirt, crusties off really, really well with the warm water and the soap. So I spent a lot of time in there, you know, making sure the whole area was nice and clean. And you know, I planned to do this right after the shower, so it actually worked out perfectly. Now, the only thing that I need to do is run into the bathroom and clean this guy really quick, and then we should be good to go. I have just a few little supplies with me. I have my NeilMed piercing aftercare spray, which I have been using a lot to heal this puppy. I've been using this on the inside and outside of my lip, and I also have some gloves, which, okay, let's talk about the glove thing for a second, because a lot of people, when they watch my videos, they have a hard time with the glove thing. I don't really know why, they're just gloves, but people do. So let's talk about it. I think it was in the changing my rook piercing video, I used gloves because, and I even said this in the video, it helps me grip the jewelry better, because we as humans have natural oils that come out of our skin, meaning your fingers will always be a little bit more slippery than when you have a glove on. So when I am trying to get a grip on a piece of jewelry, or I'm trying to get a grip on the ball of the jewelry, gloves help me. I don't care if I already washed and sanitized my hands. Sometimes I just like to wear gloves because you get a better grip like that, okay? I'm not trying to prove a point. I'm not trying to be cool. It literally just helps me, okay? So I'm going to use gloves to screw the ball off. I'm probably gonna use gloves to take it out of my mouth. So just don't get so butthurt over the gloves, okay? Okay, I know a lot of people get so butthurt over gloves, and I don't understand. So, okay, I will be right back. I'm gonna go wash this and we can get started. All right, we are back, we are clean. It is nice and sanitized and sparkly along with my hands. Oh my gosh, I really hope this works out. So I am just going to first prepare, and I'm going to screw off the gem. That way I can just grab the barbell and slip it right in. Like I said, I really hope this is long enough. And the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to move you guys in pretty damn close. So this is as far in as my camera will zoom personally, so hopefully that is close enough. I'm just gonna make this just a really quick and easy process. The piercing does not hurt. I am not having any sort of pain, except when I bit down on the barbell just now, that hurt a little bit, but as far as the actual piercing itself, it really doesn't hurt. I'm not really feeling too much pain, so I'm putting a glove on, okay? I'm gonna put another glove on too, so let's all get butt hurt in the comments. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push my lip out, that way I can have a grip of the back of the jewelry, and then I'm going to twist the ball off. Always remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. That's one of the most important things you can remember as an adult. Trust me, it works every time. Oh, this one is internally threaded. Cool beans. All right, so I got the little ball off. Here is the barbell sticking out of my lip. You can see some wet little crusties there, so sorry. All right, so straight up, I'm not nervous about it hurting. I'm mostly just nervous because I really hope that the jewelry is gonna be long enough. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to slip it out. There we go, jewelry is out. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my aftercare spray and I'm going to spray the inside, outside. Okay, and then I'm immediately going to take the new barbell that is freshly washed. I'm gonna grab the bottom. Got it. All right, and it actually looks just about to be the right size. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep my lip like this. It did not hurt at all going in. So I'm just gonna clean around the area, keeping my lip like this so the barbell doesn't slip out. Then I'm just going to take the top of it and just yeah! Gosh, that feels so much better. So here is the length now. So as you can see, it's much better. It's not too short. Like, there's definitely still some give there, which is a good thing. I'm just making sure that it is on there nice and secure. I'm gonna spray the inside. Oh my gosh, that looks so much better. I might get a different one eventually because the back plate on this one is drastically larger than this little guy right here, and I prefer the smaller back on this one. So I might go online and get a different one, a different like Libre, but I really like the little diamond. I think that looks really nice. Yeah, I think that looks really good. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. So I'm actually also going to change my septum because I feel like the purple clashes just a little bit. There we go. Oh my gosh, look at the new look. Oh, I like it a lot. Oh my gosh, that is so freaking nice. And yes, all my teeth are currently still attached, so that's a good sign. A lot of people were asking me where it hits, like does it rub on my gums? And obviously it does a little bit, but it mostly sits like up here, kind of where that webbing starts. So it's not like directly laying on my teeth or gum, it's more kind of laying where the webbing is. Oh, this feels so much better not having like a ridiculously long bar in. All right, and that is everything that I have for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you go down and give this video a huge thumbs up. It would really help me out a lot and I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if you are just lurking around YouTube and this is the first video of mine that you are seeing, make sure you go down and hit that red subscribe button. I do upload every 3 to 4 days here. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. But until then, I will see you very soon in my next video. I love you guys. Bye!